All right, students. I hope math has been going well this week and that you're liking the packets. Remember, there's nothing online anymore, it's only the packets, and you're completing 2 pages every day. So, again, if you wait and do this all in one night, that's not at all what I'm asking you to do. I want you to try to do this every day. If not, you can group it not every day if that works, but I just don't want you to wait and do it all in one night. Okay. um Today is day 3, so make sure at the top of your packet it says day 3. Make sure your packet says April 20th through April 24th, and again we are on day 3. So today we're going to switch gears and we're going to talk about area. So, and I'm sure you've heard those terms before, area and perimeter, okay? So today what we're going to do is we are going to look at the area of an object or of a shape. But first we need to talk about what is area. If somebody asks you to find the area of a shape, what are they asking you to find? So I'm going to read the definition that's on your page. And it says, what is area? Area is the number of square units needed to cover a flat surface. Find the area of a rectangle or a square by multiplying the length times the width. To find area, use the following formula. So, if we wanted to find the area of this little square dry erase board, I would do the length times the width. Okay. So that is what it's asking you. Length times width. Length times width. Okay. So we're not adding, we are multiplying. Okay, so let's look at the example that it gives you. It says a garden is 3 feet long and 10 feet wide. What is the area of the garden? So we know our equation is A. So we're going to use, we're going to use the variables A equals L times W. So let's think about what all of our variables stand for. A stands for area. Area equals length times width. Okay? So we know that the length is, I'm looking at the example, 3 feet. And I know that the width is 10 feet. So my equation is 3 times 10, which is 30. So your answer. Now, look what they did, and they are so very kind on this page. They put the units in there for you. It's not just 30 feet. It is 30 square feet. So SQ period, that is how we abbreviate square, okay? That is short for square. So we are going to do numbers 1 through 4 together on this page, and then your job is going to be to complete the next page independently, okay? So let's look at number 1. Again, my equation is area equals length times width, okay? So the length is 4 and the width is 8. So 4 times 8 equals area. Well, what is 4 times 8? Hopefully you haven't forgotten this, but 4 times 8 is 32, okay? 4 times 8 is 32. So my answer is 32 square feet. But it's actually yards, and they already put the unit on there for you. So you're good to go. Number 2, I have my length is 5 and my width is 11. So what 2 numbers am I going to multiply? I'm going to multiply 5 times 11 equals the area. So 5 times 11 is 55. It already puts in your unit, but your unit is square meters. Okay? Let's look at number 3. So basically, you're just taking those two numbers and you're just multiplying them together. So number 3, I'm going to do 9 times 7. Okay, so I have 9 times 7 equals area. And 9 times 7 is 63. So I have 63 square feet. Okay? Then on my next one, I have 6 times 8. This one's always a trickster for you guys on your multiplication tables. 6 times 8 is 48. Okay, so my answer is going to be 48 square inches. But it's already got the units on there for you, so you're good to go. Okay, let's look at your next page. It says day 3, and this is your practice sheet. You are going to complete all of these independently, okay? So you're going to do numbers 1 through 6 at the top, and then you have 2 word problems, numbers 7 and 8. So I'm only leaving you 8 problems to work on today independently, okay? So again, remember your equation for area is length times width. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me, I'm sure, at this point, okay? Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you tomorrow on Thursday. Bye, friends.